Yeah, good evening everyone. Good evening. Check audio video okay or not? Yeah, everyone have to check audio video okay or not. So yesterday we done until here. This is the yesterday's class. Yesterday's class it is done here. Yesterday's class started from here. From here it is started. It's around 30. Date is 30. Let me write. 30. If you see the yesterday's class, here it is started. 30, 12, 25. Now 31st. 31st. This is the first problem. Today's class, it is the first problem. Today's class, it is the first problem. Yeah, can you go ahead? If x, then y unless z is represented by which one of the following? So you may not able to give answer for this. For this problem, you may not able to give. But the purpose of this one is whether you give answer or not doesn't matter. You try, you learn. Right? So if you try any problem, purpose is not whether you give answer or not. You try and you learn. You try and you learn. If you try and learn, you will become winner. Right? So you may not get winning immediately. Try and learn. Try and learn. Keep on do like this. Keep on do like this. 1 year, you will be all right. If you keep on doing like this, right, you will become a winner. You will become a winner. So try to understand. Everyone try. If I give answer, you feel that. If I give answer, you feel that it is very easy. Right? If you try, you will get to know what is the power of this problem. Can you try this problem? Try this problem. You will get to know what is the power. If you want to know power of this problem, can you try this? Try this one, you will get to know power. Everyone try. If I give answer, you feel nothing. When you try, when you fail, you remember many days. If you try and if you fail, you will remember many days. Many days you will remember. Right? So when I'm studying, I think engineering. So I loved one girl. I proposed. I tried, I proposed, but she rejected me. I still remember. If you try and fail, you remember many days. Try and fail, you remember many days. So when you remember many days, you may not do that mistake again. From that day onwards, I didn't propose it to anyone. When I'm kid, first year BTech. First year BTech, when I'm kid, I proposed. So that lucky girl or unlucky girl, I don't know, she rejected me. She rejected me. So I tried and I failed. I remember many days. So I didn't done that mistake again. So I hope same thing to you also here also. See, if you try this problem and if you fail, you will remember many days. That is the purpose of trying. That is the purpose of trying. Everyone try. What will be the answer you are thinking? Bro, bolo yaar. What is the answer yaar? Respond. These people not respond at all. Arey, what is this yaar? Karo yaar, respond karo yaar. Everyone should try. Someone is saying that D is the answer. Okay, let's check. Someone is saying D is the answer. If X then Y unless Z represented by which one of the following? Yeah, let me try this. Let me try this one. It is something like, if you want to know clearly, it is something like this. See this one. It is something like this one. If you study well, if you study good, if you study well, if you study well, then you will get good gate rank or good rank. It is something like, if you study well, then you will get a good rank, good gate rank. Unless gate exam not cancelled. Unless gate exam not cancelled. If you study well, then you will get the good rank, good gate rank. Unless gate exam is not cancelled. Right? So this is another way of writing. Same thing can be written in another way. Observe clearly here. Same thing can be written another way. What is that one? If you study well, and gate exam not cancel, then you will get good rank. So remember, these all are same statements. See this one. If you study well, and gate exam is not cancelled, then you will get the good gate rank. I think this is, if you study well and gate exam is not cancelled, then you will get the good gate rank. A. So what is saying? If you study well, right, and see this one. If you study well and right, gate, right, you got the good gate rank, then exam is not cancelled. There is no meaning in that. If at all exam is not cancelled, then exam is not cancelled. Then what is the meaning of this? If you study well, and you got the very good rank, then exam is not cancelled. So remember, if you study well, exam is not cancelled, then you will get the good rank. So this is the best one. If you study well, right, you will get the good gate rank and exam is not cancelled, so it's not. If you study well, you will get the good gate rank and exam is not cancelled. Remember, in some cases they will fail. You take the cases and you will check. In some cases, they will fail. Right? Without checking exam is over or not, without checking exam is over, exam is cancelled or not, how you got the good GATE rank? If you study well and you got the good GATE rank and exam is not cancelled, that is not. So appropriate one is this one. If you study well and exam is not cancelled, then you will get the good GATE rank. This is the best one. Next time onwards, please handle this problem properly. Next time onwards, please handle the problem properly. What is the option D? If you study well, then you will get the good GATE rank. And exam is not cancelled. No, some cases will fail. So please be careful. Some cases will fail. Please careful. Some cases will fail. This is going to be true. If this is true, this is true. Right? This is going to be true. If this is true, this is true. Right? Both are true, then true. But this is true. This is true. See this one. This is true. Right? It is failed. It is failed. It is pass also. See, without studying well also, you will get the good rank. Then also pass will be there. Then also pass will be there. So please try to understand. If you study well, then you will get the good GATE rank. So this indirectly saying that if you don't study well, then also you will get the good GATE rank. But this is saying clearly, if you study well and the exam is not cancelled, then you will get the good GATE rank. So next time onwards, please handle these problems properly. The purpose of this one, I know very well, it is very tough. That is the reason I given. So please take some examples and check. So when can I say, so if anyone say A and D correct, it should work same for every input. Every input it is behaving same, then only same. So please take some examples where A and D will be differ. If you study well, then you will pass the exam. If right, and exam is not cancelled. And exam is not cancelled. Look like similar, but there is some difference. Right? Please take care. If you study well, exam is not cancelled, then you will get the good GATE rank. If you study well, you will get the good GATE rank without checking exam is cancelled or not. Fine. Is it okay? Parth, is it okay? Parth bro, are you convinced? A and D not same. A and D not same. Parth, are you convinced? Hello? Parth bro, are you convinced? अरे बोलो यार. These people don't respond immediately यार. These people don't respond immediately. क्या यार? Can we move to next? It's a very tricky problem. I know this. It's a very tricky. So I written, see the sentence I written also. If you study well and the exam is not cancelled, then you will get the good GATE rank. If you study well, you will get a good GATE rank and the exam is not cancelled. Look like similar, but not same. You take one example, you will find out. Next problem? Yeah, next one. Can you go to the next one? Yeah, so this is very, very important story in the total discrete mathematics in the logic chapter. This is going to be very, very important. How to check given propositional statement valid or not? Another way of saying is tautology or not. This is the very, very important story. Remember, guarantee in the question paper you will see this. Guarantee in the question paper you will see this story. Please try to understand. Definitely you will see this one in the question paper. In the question paper, guaranteed. See, I written many times also. It is a very, very important star. So many stars I kept. It will come in the exam. They will give one propositional statement or compound statement. They will give. They will ask you, is it valid or not? Or they will ask you, is it tautology or not? Right? So the ways of asking. See the ways of asking. I written also. To save your time, I written also. Can you see this one? What they will do is A and B and C and D. Something they will give. A and B and C and D implies E. Is a tautology or not? That like that they will ask. Or is valid or not? Like that they will ask. This is the one way of asking. To this arrow symbol, left hand side, they will keep few people. I think he kept 4 people. End operator, right? Followed by arrow symbol, followed by E. Is tautology or not? Is it valid or not? They will ask. Another way of asking the same thing. Another way of asking same thing. See, they will give A, B, C, D like this. They will write followed by E. They will write. Remember, A, B, C, D, E is called premises. E is called conclusion. So he will ask you, from the given premises, will you get the E as a conclusion or not? From the given premises, you are getting the conclusion or not. Right? If at all you are getting conclusion, that is a valid. Otherwise, not valid. Indirect way of asking. Is it tautology or not? Is it valid or not? Means from the premises, conclusion is coming or not. If coming, true, means tautology. If not, it's not tautology. Another way of writing the same thing. See, another way of writing same thing. Premises are there, A, B, C, D, which is nothing but P1, P2, P3, C. They will keep some end operator. Right? P1, P2, P3, P4 implies C. From the premises, conclusion is coming or not. Premises deriving conclusion or not. So different ways of asking. Remember, either first model he will ask or second model he will ask. Indirectly same meaning. Now you can see one sample example I given. Everyone reason. A goes to B valid or not? A goes to B valid or not? Another way of asking. A goes to B is a tautology or not? So we have to prove. Listen everyone. If you want to prove A goes to B is a tautology, everyone understand. A goes to B, if you want to prove tautology, what you have to prove? A goes to B is always true. You have to prove always true. Remember, always true. But you know, A implies B having 4 possibilities. A implies B having 4 possibilities. Let's see. If both are true, then true. If both, right, if the first one is false, second one is true, then true. If the first one is false, second one is false, then true. If the first one is true, second one is false, then false. Remember, this is the only person. A implies B will goes to false. But if you want to say always true, it should also be true. So these things you no need to check. A goes to B is a tautology or not. Means A goes to B is always true or not. You have to check. A goes to B is a tautology or not. Means A goes to B is always true or not. You have to verify. But if you see, if A true, B also true, true. Okay. If A false, B also true, then it's going to be true. If A false, B is false, then true. Every time it is looking like a true. But the only case where A goes to B fail, A goes to B fail, true, false, true implies false will leads to false. This is the only thing where tautology concept fails. So this one you have to take care. This one. So prove that this case never arises. Prove that this case never arises. If you can prove it, this case never arises, then I can say A goes to B is a tautology. If you can prove it, TF combination not possible. They will give something, they will ask you, please prove it, it is a tautology, or please prove it is a valid or not. Then what you can do is just make sure left of true, right, false, not possible. Just to prove it. If you can prove it, it is a tautology. Because, however, first 3 cases, if you see the first 3 cases, they are anyhow true. The only case where it is fail is this. The only case where it is fail is this. Right? If you can do this, right? If you can do this, true, false goes to false. If you can do this, right? This combination is not possible. If you can prove, it is a tautology. Some people are asking, sir, how, sir? This case not possible, prove it. Then it is a tautology. Some people are asking, sir, how? Sir, what should I do? So you can do like this. Listen, if you want to prove A to B is a tautology or not, what you have to do is one method. See the method. One method is going to be assume left true. Means A true. Assume A true. I think you know very well. If A true, if B becomes false, then true-false combination becomes false. But you want to prove tautology. Assume A is true, then using right A as true, prove that right also true, means B also true. By assuming left as true, using that value, please prove right also true, so that true-false combination is not possible. If left true, by using that one you proved right also true, then true-false combination not there, it is true. This is the one way. So some people are asking, A goes to B, I want to prove tautology, how? A goes to B, left goes to right, I want to prove tautology, how? Very simple. True-false combination not possible, prove it. What is the meaning? Left assume true, prove that using that right also true. Then TF is not possible, so tautology, that's one way. One more method you see. See the one more method. A goes to B is a tautology or valid or not. If you want to prove, one more way is going to be assume right false. Assume right is false. If right is false, using that if you prove left is true, true false. Remember, by assuming right false, prove left also false. See this one. Assume right false, so B false. Using that, prove left also false. So false combination, which is true. So means you want to say that TF not possible. Indirectly, directly you want to say this combination not possible. If I assume right false, left false only. So TF not possible. If you assume left true, right also true only. True false combination not possible. So careful. Okay. Are you getting? Yeah, let me see. Ashok, are you okay? Are you okay, Ashok? Ashok, let me know. Are you okay? If I want to, it is a very, very important story. In the discrete mathematics, in the logic chapter, it is a very, very important one. How to check given statement, how to check given one is a valid or not. A goes to B is valid or not, how to prove. If you want to prove A goes to B valid or not, right? So TF combination not possible, you have to prove. How? By assuming left true, right also prove true. True. So TF not there. By assuming right false, prove left also false. False, it is true. Ashok, exactly. Ashok, exactly whatever you are doing, say. Exactly whatever you are saying. TF cannot come prove it. TF will not come prove it. If you can prove it, you can prove that. Right? So, okay, employees means, remember everyone, employees is false. TF combination. So, if I want to prove employees is a tautology, TF will not arise, prove it. If you can prove it, then it's absolutely you are correct. Now, I think to make it very simple, take this problem. In both the methods, we'll see now. Both the methods. Verify propositional statement A and B goes to BRC is a tautology. I have to prove it. Verify propositional statement A and B goes to BRC. I have to prove it. Right? I have to prove it. So I will do this now. Just wait. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, I'm doing this. Everyone observe. So, right, I have to prove left implies right is tautology. So two methods are there. One method is assume left true, prove right also true. One more method is assume right false, prove left also false. I'm seeing the first method. Can you see this one? A and B true means left true assume. If left true, if you observe clearly, if left true, that means end operator true means both are true. So we got A true, We got B also true. Yeah, using this information, let's use this. Use this information, use this and prove right also true. Yeah, let's see the right. What is the right? Right is going to be, everyone listen, right is going to be BRC. Remember, B already true. B already true. True or anything is true. So by assuming left true, I proved right also true. So it is a tautology. Assume left true. Okay, I assumed. It is end operator. End operator, two people. End operator of two people is true means both are true. So use this information and prove right also true. Let me use this information on the right side. What is the right? BRC. In the BRC, do you know B already? Yes. Do you know C? I don't know. I don't know, but everyone know true or anything is true. So overall, already I got true. So by using the left information, I proved right is true. So it is a tautology. So given statement is a tautology. Given statement is valid. Already I proved, right? This is the one method. This is the one method. This is the one method, right? To prove given statement is a tautology or not. You proved it. Now let's go to method 2. Everyone observe. Let's go to method 2. Everyone have to understand. Let's go to method 2. BRC is equal to false, right? Assume right false. Okay. Everyone know R operator false means what? Both false. This means B false, C also false. R operator anyone is true. So both are false already. Using this, right? Using this and prove left also false. Yeah, let's see the left. What is the left to? A and B. What is the A? We don't know. A we don't know, I think. B we know? Yes. So remember end operator. End operator. Any one false, false only. I proved finally by assuming right false, I proved left also false. So means TF not possible. See, T goes to right hand side T only. T. So true. Next one. Right is already false. I proved left also false. FF true only. So we are got to know that in any case TF will not come. So TF will not come, sir. What about remaining people, sir? TT, this is true. Next one, FT, this is true. Next one, FF, this is true. Only possibility, TF no chance. I got to know from the given information, TF not possible. Some people are asking, sir, in the exam, should I do both? Some people are asking in the exam, should I do both? Can anyone help me? In the exam, can I do both? In the exam, should I do only method 1 or method 2 or both? Can anyone help me? In the exam, can we do first method or second method or both or any one? In the exam, we should concentrate, right? Method 1 or method 2 or both or any one. Any method is okay. Any method is perfect. One method you take. Either first method or second method. Any method you use. No need to waste both the methods. You can do that, time waste. You can do that, but time waste. What is the need of wasting time? What is the need of wasting time? You only say. Are you getting? What is the need of wasting time? You only say. Fine. Is it okay? Bro, is it okay? One method is enough. Whatever method you want, you can do. One method is enough. Please careful. One method is enough. Right. Now see this. So this one we done. right? So some people are asking, sir, sir, one more way is, can I draw truth table? Yeah, I checked that also. Remember, if you want to prove something is a tautology, you can draw table also, but it is a time consuming. Some people are asking, sir, can I draw the truth table? I drawn that also. Some students are asking, sir, can I draw the truth table? Yes, you can draw, but it is a time waste. It will take more time. It will take more time. If you want, you can see A, B, C, three people. So A and B I done. Okay. B R C I done. Okay. A and B employees B R C. That also I done. That also I done. See this one? True, true, true. True, true. Indirectly, directly, we want to prove that TF not possible. TF not there. So true. 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 Some people are asking, sir, if I want to prove something is a tautology, should I draw the table and should I check? That is also okay. Whichever will take less time, do that. This is also okay. Whichever will take less time, please do it. This is also okay. Some people are asking, sir, it is a method 3. Yes, of course. It is a method 3. It may be more time. So remember, if small statement is given, if you have little confusion also, small statement given, you have confusion, go to the table. Why you waste the time? Small statement is given, you have some confusion, go to the table. That is also okay. That is also okay, right? If you think that method 1 itself you are okay, perfect. Method 2 itself you are okay, perfect. Method 3 itself you are okay, perfect. Out of these 3, do anything. Out of these 3, do anything, you will be perfect, right? You will be perfect. I hope everyone got it. Let me know if anyone having any objection. Are Ashok, are you comfortable? Ashok, are you comfortable? Check everyone. One method is enough. First method, second method, third method. Anything is okay. Left true, prove right also true. One way. Right false, left also false. One way. One more is a table. Table also you can go. One more is going to be table. Table also you can go. Fine. Table also you can go. Right. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Right. So yeah. Fine. Let's wait. So DSA new batch is started. So those people who want to be expert in the DSA, right? If you want to be expert in the DSA, you can join the DSA new batch. 80% discount is there. So, right, this is the code you can use. So within 2 to 3 months, DSA course will be over. Within 2 to 3 months, you can do practice. Overall, 5 months, you will become hero. In the DSA, you will become hero within 5 months, 2 to 3 months completion of syllabus, 2 to 3 months practice. Right? This new DSA batch is started. So batch number, I think batch number 6. Batch number 6 is started. So yesterday I said batch number 3. Yeah, 6 is started. Yeah, thanks. Right? Next one. Right? So those people who are preparing for GATE, right? If you are preparing for 2028, go for the foundation. 2027, go to regular batch. Right? Discrete Mathematics. This is the subject which is starting tomorrow onwards. Tomorrow onwards in the EPT platform, it is going on. Tomorrow onwards in the EPT platform, it is going on. 80% discount, you can utilize it. Right? Next one is in the GATE DA and GATE CSE both. DA and CSE both, 100 new questions are added. New, very good questions. Right? Very good questions with video solution. Right? RIC course, Engineering Mathematics, it is added. For GATE CSE also GATE DA, because mathematics is common, na? CSE DA, right? It is added. Right? So those people, means as of now, in the engineering mathematics, 300 questions are there. Previously 200 there, now one more 100 is added. 300 very good questions. If you do this one, it is more than enough. For engineering mathematics, 300. Like that, every subject, 300 good questions are there in the RIC course. You can utilize it. Right? Next one, I think a few days back, 100 good questions are added in the machine learning. Machine learning RIC, 100 good questions are added by Sachin sir. Right, Sachin sir is working in the one of the MNC as a data scientist. He is from IASC Bangalore. Right, his rank is around, I think, 150 if I am not wrong. So he added already 100 good questions. Right, RIC machine learning he added. So those people who are preparing for the GATE DA RIC course, you can utilize for better practice. And one more thing is EPT providing 30 mock tests, 30 full length mock tests, CSE purpose 15, DA purpose 15. Right, so she written the mock test, she became a, right, in one of the mock tests she became a topper. She got the maximum marks in one of the mock test. I request everyone, please write the mock test. I request everyone, please write the mock test. It's my sincere suggestion to all. If you are preparing for 2026, please write the mock test. Right, and one more thing is, if you are not written the mock test, please write 30 full length tests. They are free, 15 for CSE, 15 for DA. Right, so it is a free, please utilize. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Already 20,000 submissions are happened. Last 5 months onwards mock test is going on. Last 5 months onwards mock test is going on. Please utilize it. Right, please utilize this one. Now some people are asking, why should I join the exam prep tool? You will get the live classes also, recorded classes also. You will get the daily quizzes also. You will get the doubt solving, 24/7 doubt solving is there. And the PYQs also there, 3,000 PYQs and 6,000 verified questions. Lot of practice you will get freely. Right. Next one is trial courses also there. Right. One-to-one mentorship also there. Right. AIR1 notes also available. Right, so you will get the doubt solving, job notifications also there. We are keep on informing job notifications also. Right, so these are the people who placed in EPT by after taking EPT course. So many people are placed. Few people we presented here. So Amit, Google, Karthik, right, Meta, right, Pravalika, Hexaware, right. So Rajinish, right, is going to be, I think, free charge. Right, so Tushar, TCS, so all the things, Shikhar placed in the IOCL. So all the people, so many are there. We return few people. So GATE, right, that is the GATE if you observe, these are the ranker: Abhinav, Avichal, right, Prabhav, Gulshan, Vineet, Mitesh, Piyush, Arpit, Pratmesh, Ashish. So all the people. Right, so fine. So 80% offer is going on. So this is the last date is going on. So please utilize. Perfect. Yeah, so from tomorrow onwards classes will be there. Tomorrow onwards classes will be there in the EPT platform. Right, 3 classes we done for the GATE CSE, right, GATE CSE GATE DA, 3 discrete mathematics, 3 classes we done for the DSA also 3 lectures we done. They are only for sample purpose. If you are serious, you can join our course. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Today we discussed, let me go back one time. Today we discussed, right, how to check some statement is valid or not. Right, so few more practice problems we done. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. And once again, wish you happy new year. Wish you advanced happy new year. Ashok, wish you happy new year. Everyone happy new year. Everyone happy new year. Advanced happy new year. Thank you everyone. Thank you.